Hi, it's Mike from the Cyber Guys, here with another Tech Talk. This time I want to answer the question, what is SOA? What is service-oriented architecture? A while ago, I talked about object-oriented programming, and this is just an extension of it, designed for the internet, and particularly the web. What service-oriented architecture is all about is a style of application engineering, where instead of building applications as some monolith, some big program that just does one thing and then it does what it does and that's it, instead of taking that approach, what we're interested in doing with service-oriented architecture, or SOA, is building applications on the principle of autonomous functions. The idea is based around building autonomous business activity or some function that's needed for your environment or system or some group of systems that can work like a black box. We want a particular activity, therefore we'll call up the service, we'll pass in what we want to pass in, and we'll get back what we want to get back. Some key principles and key characteristics that we would associate with service-oriented architecture applications include some sort of standardization. The idea that there's a loose coupling between the services and a particular use of that service. We want it to last. So it's built for longevity. It's built for abstraction. It's built for autonomy. It's built to be used transactionally or statelessly. We want our services to be granular. We want them to be normalized so that they can be reused for various purposes. We want the ability to build super services out of smaller independent services. So really, the idea with SOA is this. You don't have to build an application that does everything. You can instead build applications that rely on the services of other systems, other applications, in some cases, even other companies. For instance, your company may be selling products on the web. You may need the ability to check credit cards and conduct some form of transaction. Instead of doing all of that within your one application, you can build your application to talk to services that provide some of that functionality for you. In fact, in most cases, you have to follow this approach. So service-oriented architecture is just a natural evolution of object-oriented programming, where instead of defining large programs, monolithic systems, we look at the things we need in a more transactional way, passing in and getting back what we want as if communicating with a black box. Well, that's just a short, simple overview in 3 minutes about what service-oriented architecture is all about. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.